Now you see that it's really easy to control. You have three main buttons. This one to take off and to land. And then now if you want to move it, you press this button here and you tilt the iPad forward, backward, or on the left, or on the right. And the air drone is following my moves. And if you want to make it higher, we use the right button, we press and slide to the top, then it goes up. If we press and slide to the bottom, it goes down. And on the side for the rotation, left and right. And one fun feature is when you press twice on the screen, makes the flip. Now you can see. It's a fun feature, acrobatic. And of course you can use both buttons at the same time to make some cycle and some spins and enjoy even more. And to land, that's really easy. You just press this button here and the air drone lands automatically.